Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been following my journey on FAUCETCRYPTO.com, you know the grind is real, but the rewards are even better. Today is the day we put those hard-earned Faucet Crypto points to work. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to withdraw your crypto from the site. The first step, always, is to check your funds. As you can see here on my dashboard, I have more than enough coins to make a withdrawal on most assets. I could cash out Litecoin or Doge right now, but I'm specifically not looking to withdraw Bitcoin today, as it requires a 20,000 coin minimum, which I haven't hit yet. Instead, we are going after a specific coin I've been researching, Sonic. Why Sonic? Well, this coin is making serious waves. Sonic is known as the highest performing EVM Layer 1 solution, combining incredible speed. We're talking 400,000 transactions per second and sub-second finality with world-class infrastructure. It's powering the next generation of DeFi applications, and it's right up there and other high potential movers like SEI, Sui, and Ondo. This is where the long-term potential lies, and stacking it for free is a genius move. Now let's get back to the withdrawal process itself and get those points converted into real Sonic coin. Once you navigate to the withdrawal section, you'll see all the available cryptocurrencies. I'm scrolling down and selecting Sonic. Faucet Crypto is fantastic because it's so transparent on its disclosures. Right now, it shows me the conversion rate from Faucet Crypto points to the Sonic amount, the network fee, and the final amount I'll receive. Now for the critical part, the address. In the blank field provided, I need to carefully paste the correct Sonic wallet address from my external crypto wallet. You must double check this. Sending crypto to the wrong address means it's lost forever. Once the address is in, I hit withdraw. The site will then send a confirmation email to the registered email address. This is a crucial security step. You must confirm the transaction in that email before Faucet Crypto processes the request. After confirmation, we wait for the network to do its job. So, the big question, is this withdrawal a success or a failure? For now, the process is initiated and will continue earning in Faucet Crypto 24/7. As I mentioned in the previous video, time management is key, but so is timing when to actually withdraw and convert. Remember, the crypto market is down as of the moment. This is exactly the time you want to be accumulating. Buy, stack up, and withdraw when everyone else is panicking. The next crypto boom is just around the corner, and having free coins ready will be a game changer. You cannot do this alone. You need God to guide your financial decisions. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure that notification bell is rung, because you definitely want to wait for part 2 of the Faucet Crypto Sonic withdrawal process, where we confirm the transaction in the wallet. Thank you and God bless.